searched how to buy shares of Solowin Holdings. Solowin is a renewable energy company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AXG, and this guide is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AXG to find the listing. Select the Solowin Holdings result that matches NASDAQ and the correct company name. Open the Solowin Holdings asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ AXG so you are on the correct stock page. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.